Well, 'tis the season to be decorating our house, and I'm at Terra Casa with Diana. And Diana, we always come out here, find the most beautiful things for our home and garden, but being the holidays, you have some really good ideas for us.
We've got a few fun things this year and really fun ways to decorate your home. This is one of them. These are our churches, and they are LED lit. There's a variety of sizes and shapes and colors, and you can plug them into each other like you do with a Christmas light. Perfect. And there's greenery on some of them. There's sticks. It's a really fun story.
And where would we put them in our house? What's a great way to decorate with them?
I picture them on a fireplace hearth or a fireplace mantle. You could do 2 or 3 smaller ones on a table in your dining room. I think anywhere in your home they would make a great story.
Well, you have so many things to talk about, but I really want to go talk about these lanterns that you have on the other side of the store. So let's go over there.
Okay.
Now, Diana, this is a new take on a snow globe, and they're so cool.
Well, back when we were little, we had to shake them, right?
Manual, right?
I know. But now they have battery-operated ones, so and these are called snow globe water lanterns, and they all have a different scene in them, and they are battery-operated. Some of them actually have music to go with.
Oh, nice.
And they come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and with little different scenes with Santas and snowmen and nutcrackers and birds and all kinds of fun things.
And the glitter, I think, really adds to it. It's not just snow, it's glitter.
It's the glitter, and yeah, it's very captures your attention for sure. It's fun. I think it'd be fun for kids to sit and watch too.
Oh, definitely. Yeah. And Christmas is all about lighting, and you have another kind of lighting here. These are really attractive too.
We have a lot of things that light up in the store this year. This is called Stony Creek. It's a line of glass items that light from within with a brush LED light inside, and there's a lot of different shapes and sizes and themes. There's birdhouses and cardinals and woodsy themes with pine cones, and it's really fun. There's some that are whimsical and some that are a little more sentimental.
They are, and I want to go see these other ones because those are cute too. So let's go over there.
Okay.
Diana, these are some more kind of music boxes and little scenes. They're darling.
These are really fun. So each of these little scenes light up, and they play music as well. So we have the little skaters. We have Santa with making his gifts inside. There's just a fun little variety of things that you can set up in your house. Kids love these.
Oh, sure. And really, it all gets us into the mood. All of these pieces that can decorate our house, and you have a special event that will help us even more get into the mood.
We are having our holiday open house. Kicking off this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Our regular store hours are 10 to 6 Saturday and 11 to 5 Sunday, and there'll be special savings throughout the store.
Well, you have to watch the rest of the show and then come to Terra Casa in downtown Damascus and get in on all the festivities with your family and your friends. And so to go to gardentime.tv, we'll click over their website and you can find out all that information. Thanks so much. Have a lovely time.
Thank you, Judy.